In exploring the benefits of solar energy in 2024, it's essential to recognize potential concerns, notably in terms of cost and trust. However, it's important to note that these issues can be effectively managed. By implementing transparent practices and addressing cost-related challenges, the pathway to embracing solar energy becomes more accessible and trustworthy, ensuring a smoother transition in 2024. Take advantage of our exclusive yearly offers featuring same-as-cash benefits for 18 months and complemented by a substantial 30% state tax incentive. This makes the transition to solar more economically viable than ever. As the representative of Power, a leading company in the solar industry, we offer a robust 30-year power care warranty. This all-encompassing coverage includes a 100% guarantee on parts and labor, a $0 deductible, no out-of-pocket costs, transferable ownership, in-house claims handling, and 24/7 monitoring. Our warranty spans from racking systems to panels, installation errors to inverters, and even roof penetration, ensuring coverage for any unforeseen issues, including manufacturing malfunctions and defects. In partnership with 8 key collaborators such as Everbright, Sonova, and Goodleap, and working with leading product providers like Tesla, Span, Franklin, REC Group, Solar Edge, and End-Phase, Power presents a wide array of solutions. These encompass roofing programs, electric vehicle charging stations, solar installations, and energy storage alternatives. Explore our 3 distinctive programs. Option 1, Power Saver, no storage solar only. Simplified installation, future payback, maximum savings. Option 2, Powerhouse, partial or full backup. Partial home backup for essential loads, whole home backup for energy independence. Solutions for extended outages, our most popular package. Option 3, Power Basic, small solar offset, specifically designed for California customers. Offset up to 30% of usage, lower utility costs, minimize grid export, and maximize home solar protection. The process is straightforward. Share photos of your electrical panel to see if you have a 200 amp breaker box, details about your roof type and age, and a copy of your yearly electricity bill usage chart. Our support team will create a personalized proposal and, upon approval, will arrange a meeting with one of our seasoned professionals. Throughout the entire journey, from contract signing to completion, monitor progress through our system and feel free to reach out with any questions or concerns. Embark on your solar journey with confidence. I'm Freddie Avila, ready to guide you towards a brighter, more sustainable future at every step. Home Improvement License Number 1.5325SP. Telephone number 31094088886.